Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on live translate on Chrome. So the first thing you do is from your Chrome browser here, you see the three dots at the top right corner over here, you tap on it, actually you click on it, and then you go through this option. You're going to see the setting option, click on settings, that brings up this page. So go down here, you can see accessibility. You click on accessibility, and the second option we have here is live translate. Now this will help you to automatically translate live captions. The captions will be sent to Google for translation. So if you agree with this, toggle it on. Now once you toggle on live translate, it also automatically turns on live caption. A live caption helps you to create captions for supported languages, but the audio will never leave your device. Now supported live caption languages, you can add the languages, but the one we have there right now is English. So if you want to add, click on add languages. You choose the language you want, click on add over here. So after that, next thing you can decide to hide profanity, or you can turn it off. So let's say I want to hide the profanities, and then you can now choose the live translate language you want. You can see only supported live caption language can be translated. Right now we have English, you can choose others, make sure they are supported. And then the next one, after choosing that, you click on, let's say I want to choose Hausa. So I click on Hausa, and that's it. That is how to turn on live translate on Chrome. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.